box, you do have to go straight to the cash drop, okay?
Okay.
We're not holding anything. You must be ready to pay.
Thank you.
You got the other door?
Oh.
Make your way, 2 per person only. Good morning, good morning.
Oh, hi. Can I get?
What size?
You have a 12 or 13? 12 and 13. Check the aisles really quick. It's 59 bucks. Normally 120. Air Max 90s down to 114. Okay, 130. It's not a bad colorway right there at all. Let's see what else we got here. KD Tray 510 on sale for 79 bucks, which is definitely good. Witness 7s or Witness 6s, right? See what it is on here. Some more Tray 5, Tray 5, Tray 5s, Tray 5s. Immortalities in a couple colorways, 69 bucks as you guys can see. Pretty chill situation here, $49. These are down to $49. Then they got the Zion 2. We've seen this colorway, it's already at the outlet on sale. Saw this at Dick's Sporting Goods the other day. Then we got some more of the Witnesses down from 140 to 69 bucks. Pretty dope here. $59 for the Immortalities. I honestly feel like this right here is the banger right here. 140 or 69 bucks. Check the back wall briefly really quick just to see if we see anything else. Everything here is 30% off, which is super dope. I'm kind of in a rush because I got some other stuff going on here. LeBron's up there. I got the LeBron 9s here that we saw at the other outlet out there in San Diego. Still $230 with 30% off. That's like too much. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Nothing else really going on. Jordan 36 low, 165. This is that Luka colorway. This is actually dope. That's actually a good steal right there. Some Richie Morris, the Jordan 9s. These are dope. Size 7, 225 with 30% off. Definitely can't beat that. That's definitely a good steal right there. Fly traps on deck here too. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing too crazy. Oh, yeah, some more. So we got these LeBron 9s again. We got some Kyrie Infinities in the TB colorway. And then we got the LeBron 2s, bro, in the gold colorway too. Retail with 30% off. So everything here for the most part is retail with 30% off. As we come across some Flytrap 6s now. I think this is the first time actually me seeing this colorway in hand right here. Seen only images of it. What do you guys think about this colorway? Super fire, bro. I'm definitely gonna grab myself one of these Flytraps, and as you guys see, even though they're not releasing, you can still find them at the outlets. So we got some 11 low IEs here too on deck, retail 185 with 30% off. And then they also got the 36s over here. This colorway is like the Jason Tatum exclusive. Definitely a dope colorway, man. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? True indeed, yes indeed. I do. A lot of stuff here on the back wall. Some Tray 5s again. I like this colorway right here. That one's a pretty dope colorway. LeBron's. A lot of things I'm seeing are retail, but they have 30% off the tag. The LeBron 9s again. What else we got here? Pretty good selection. I mean, the 11 lows is probably one of those exclusive finds. Then we also got this right here. These San Diego Giants, I believe. San Francisco or San Diego Giants. I like this colorway for the Griffey. Retail with 30% off. That's definitely a fire colorway though. We see these LeBron 9s again, size 13, my size. We definitely tried those on. See if there's anything else we can see really quick while I'm here. One thing that's dope is the fact that everything here is 30% off, even though it is retail tag-ish, but it's still 30% off-ish, you know what I'm saying? I like these trail runs. The Kygers, pretty dope. 54 with 30% off too. A lot of running shoes, $79, 99 bucks. The React Infinity Fight and Run 3s. Pretty dope situation here. And then, of course, we got the Pegasus and the 37 down to 59 bucks and a few colorways. 59 for 2 different colorways. Then we got some for 79 over here. This must be the 38. The 38's on sale. The jerseys, look at the Penny Pro jersey, 69 bucks. If you see 69 bucks right there. If 59 bucks is 35, so 69 would be 45. 45 for this right here. Maybe I did that math wrong. See what other kind of stuff we got up in here. What do we got here? 40% off the clearance. Tech fleece. We were just showing some tech fleece inside of a Foot Locker the other day in one of my recent videos. $130 with 40% off. So they're still charging the retail for it, even though tech fleece is in the clearance. But that's dope though. Tech fleece on clearance, you don't really see that, bro. Whole bunch of stuff here. Nike, of course, with the Nike outlet. You guys can see the line over there. Resellers galore. It's a field day out here. Let's go check and see what we can find here. The heat wall. So they added a heat wall here. Nothing too crazy. Jordan 1 lows. Threes, mids. First time seeing this up-tempo in person. What do y'all think about this one? We got some dunk highs here. Nothing too crazy. I gotta be low-key because they be tripping off people recording and stuff like that here, you know what I'm saying? Carmine 6s on deck? That's crazy. We got a full size run of Carmine 6s here for $200. I don't know if there's any resale on them, but they do got Carmines here on deck. I gotta just let this rock because they don't want people recording in here really, but that's pretty crazy to see some Carmines on deck. I don't know if there's any discount with them, and it looks like it might have a little pink midsole-ish, so that's probably why they're there too. They got the new Luka 1 on deck for $115. We just saw this LeBron at the other outlet on sale for like much cheaper than that. Oh no, it was retail with 30% off. Now it's here $229, normally $250. I guess maybe, I don't know if there's 30% off this because there's no red tags. This one here we did see, this Soldier. This one does have a red tag, so $69. Same thing with this one. So both of these are $69, which is dope. All three of the LeBron Soldiers are technically $69 down from $140, which is a really good deal. And some of these actually pop up on Amazon. So I might have to scoop. $49 for these. This is probably one of the most outlandish colorways of the Witness 5. Only $49, normally $100. Look at this. Yeah, I seen, yeah. The white, this color right here for the Fly Trap is crazy. $79. Not a bad colorway for this Fly Trap. Let me know what you guys think. My first time seeing this, I seen somebody show it online. Actually, my first time seeing these things in hand. 1 to 10 scale, what do y'all think about this colorway? Fly Trap 6 or Fly Trap 5 is definitely on point, bro. Immortalities, Hirachis, nothing that we haven't really seen. Jordan slides, down to $29 from $58, and nothing. So we got these LeBron 19s finally here at the outlet. Full retail with 30% off. So most of the stuff on the back wall is 30% off, or actually the back wall is 30% off, as you guys can see. So that's what they're doing for this weekend, I guess, or for this week. Actually during the week, not even the weekend. There's already a 30% off sale, as you guys can see the tags right there, or the discounts. Nothing too crazy standing out though. LeBron 19s, LeBron 19 lows, Prestos, Cortez, cleats, as you guys can see the Dodger ones. Nothing else that really stands out, excuse me. Luka 37 lows, 36 lows. Not really much going on over here. They do have more Brotherhoods on deck too. Brotherhoods still are chilling right here, bro. And we got these Westbrook shoes and all these over here too, but Brotherhood's still on deck. Stuff right here is on clearance. To see what this is. I think these are Carmines. Yeah, they are. They got Carmine down here. Bunch of slides, Air Force Ones. Okay, let's see. So yeah, so far these Brotherhoods being here is probably something we've seen before, but that's dope to still see Brotherhoods here. This 36 low down here that I've seen a couple times. What do you guys think about this colorway? It's definitely pretty dope. I guess it's retail with 30% off since it's on the back wall. But yeah, so I mean, nothing too crazy standing out. We do find some Jordan 1s, some retros here, so that's good to see. Back wall's not too wild. They do got some things here, some things to choose from, just depending on your style. Got the football gray Kyrie low 5 for $110. That's a small size. Why is this over here? And then we got the KD 14s. They switch it around. Okay, we got the Jewel Lord. So small sizes here. I don't know, they moving this stuff around. So we got a refurbished Kyrie Infinity Bayou. This colorway is rather different, bro. I like this colorway. You can tell it's a Bayou colorway because this did not release. What do you guys think? Check your local stores if you guys want to stock up on stuff or do some early Christmas shopping. This might be a good week to do that, especially, you know, Black Friday and all that stuff. So hit your local stores, bro. It's about to be crazy. And if you see me out in the street, say what's up, man. I appreciate it, dig?